you don't already know, here's what's going on. We had one of the worst winters in recorded history. I mean, it's been really bad. And of course, all of the ski resorts have to shut early because they don't have enough snow. And now, April 15th, all the resorts are closed, and we just got one of the coldest storms of the year. I'm talking 2 feet of fresh snow at 20 degrees Fahrenheit. That's insane. So, I have my car bed set up in the back here, and I'm headed cat skiing tomorrow. After 6 hours of driving and the last little bit being on a Forest Service road where I definitely thought I was lost, I have definitely made it the right place because that right there is a snowcat. There's another one over there that you can't see past my car because it's super dark out, but I've officially made it. I am just in the middle of the mountains, kind of near Stevens Pass right now, but I'm way up on a Forest Service road, and I've got my car bed all put together here so that I can have a good night of sleep right next to the cat and wake up in the morning to go cat skiing. So just woke up from my actually very comfortable car bed, and check out what we've got. That is all new snow. Cat's already running, people are already starting to show up. I think it's gonna be a pretty good day.
All right, crew. Oh, I got you captive. We are headed uphill. Some of you have been here, some of you have not. So I'll give you the quick and dirty on getting into the yurt. We are about 4.5 miles away, about 2,500 feet of vert, and we are about 45 minutes out. So relax, enjoy the ride. If you need something, I've got a radio here. You can contact me. It's the push to talk button on this side, right above the orange buttons. DC, you're a veteran. You could be in charge of that. Yeah, so if you need to use the restroom or you're getting motion sickness, just let me know and we'll pull over and stop. The only rule back here is to be kind to each other. Oh yeah, don't open the door. Let us open the door for you. All right? If there's smoke or flames, disregard the rules and open the door and get out of the cab. All right, we'll see you when we get up there. Any questions? As far as check-in, we're going to sign waivers, issue gear, and do our safety briefing upon arrival. We've got some coffee waiting for you up there. All right?
Thank you. Our morning started with a cat ride up the road, climbing until we reached the bottom of the bowl where the yurt sat waiting. The terrain here is incredible. Open faces and tree shots tucked into every corner of the mountain. Arriving at the yurt, we signed some waivers and got a quick refresher on how to use our avalanche gear before it was time for us to ski.
At 3 meters, our arrow does not work any longer. In the case of most modern beacons, the arrow will go away. And it's doing that because now you have to do what's called a fine search. Now we need the probers. Come on over.
Okay. That's the ground. Jump on in here.
All the way to ground.
Yep.
Not getting striking. He's going around in that spiral, 30 centimeters. What do you think? That your partner might have found something.
Right there?
Check it.
Yep, definitely.
Okay, boom. Shovels. Strategic shoveling. Who remembers? guys are putting snow behind you, right in between you. And Xavier is making room for it. Oh, we got a visual. What do you do if you're caught in an avalanche? Yell avalanche. Simultaneously trying to escape by moving at 45 degrees downhill either direction and pulling your airbag if you have one. If you get tumbled to the point where you feel out of control, keep your body tight. If you feel like you're rising to the surface, swim for a tree and try to grab it. Punch into the bed surface, try to stop your downhill momentum. Okay? So we ski as a team, head on a swivel, we're in the backcountry. The number one rule here, you don't hit it unless you know you're gonna stick it. Okay? All right, it's your day, we're gonna have a heck of a lot of fun. Let's go do it.
Our first run, the cat took us north, up onto the ridge where we dropped in here.
Oh yeah.
At the bottom, we slid our skis back onto the rack, loaded back into the cat, and started making our way back uphill for another run. This time heading south to the other side of the ridge. And this might have just been my favorite run of the entire day.
It was sick. It was loaded under that cliff because it all shed into there.
Did you drop a little?
Not really.
Just kind of roll over.
Yeah.
Sick. You had your full shoot.
It was dope.
Flint seems like the man for the job.
Oh my God. Wow. That was deep. Wow.
Do a little side step.
Yep.
This good stuff. Wow, look at that view.
Pretty sweet.
So you seem like you have some jibbing in your background. So this spot here,
Yeah.
you can already use like a natural tabletop.
Yeah.
So we'll make a run in from here,
No shit.
and you can do like a butter pad we'll build here.
Sick.
Really nice seat, man. We're gonna hop up here if you want to pop out and boot.
Is this where Forefront built that one?
Yeah.
Was it right here?
Yep.
Sick.
Those guys are so fun.
Yeah. Looks like it.
Staying in the crew.
Looks like a good time.
They're just like, you know, the hardest working athletes.
Totally. Are you able to ski this chute in there?
Yeah, you can see all this stuff when it's in a normal year.
Yeah, totally.
All these cliff bands you see,
Yeah.
they turn into no-rock spines.
Gotcha.
And so
Cool.
there's like a little pepper, you know, that you have to clear up the end of them.
Yeah.
And they spine up really good, and the same with these ones here.
Yeah.
And that chute right there, There's two twin straight lines out of there.
Okay,
And there's a bunch of hiding in here. It's also really good.
cool. I can see that one from the yurt. It looks super fun.
Yeah.
Just need some more snow.
Yeah.
The exit right now
I
is...
think like we're at 40-inch base before the storm. Not even 35.
Wow.
And we usually average by this time of year we're sitting at about 140.
Oh, wow.
So a lot more than that.
You're 100 inch short. I'm guessing this way. Yeah.
We loaded into the Cat and made our way back uphill so we could do one party lap all together before lunch.
Stay close. Stay close. We could do ourselves, but I know that we gon' make it out alive.
For lunch, we headed back into the yurt. It is such a wonderful experience to be in the backcountry, but have an area to get warm and dry nearby. Our guides had a fire going in the wood stove and warm coffee for us all day, which was much appreciated, especially after all the cold smoke face shots we got during our morning runs. We had a quick lunch all together before heading back out to score some more POW. A POW day in April is pretty crazy, but what's even crazier is that we never rode the same run twice. We had fresh tracks the entire day.
Don't you know I'm falling apart? Don't you know it's cold from the start? Does it have to be this hard? Does it have to be this hard?
Yep, that's the right call right there. Oh yeah. Yeah, dog. Yeah. Your new nickname is Stoke Lord. I had a slash that came up to my face up there.
You still got some on your nose.
I know. I'm saving it for later.
All right, we're gonna keep moving.
I think you and I are gonna.
We're gonna figure it out.
Oh, to keep it to the left of my track again, but
So we're on our last run of the day here, and what a day it's been. And check out what is happening for our final run. It's been slightly cloudy all day with little tiny slivers of sun peeking through. But that's blue sky that's headed our way. So we might just have sun for our last run. Fuck yeah, buddy. How insane was that?
so good. So good.
Just keeps getting better. That was insane. Holy shit. It's mid-April, keep in mind. Mid-April. With the light fading and our legs cooked, all that was left was the ride back down to the road to the cars. 10 runs deep, and every one of them was worth it. But honestly, what made the day wasn't just the terrain, it was the people. The crew that Cascade Powder Guides put together has this energy that's hard to explain. We were a small group of strangers at the start of the day, and by the time you're sharing that last lap, you feel like you've known each other forever. And the guides themselves, they know this mountain inside and out. Every run they were putting us on the best snow, reading the terrain, and making sure that we were having the time of our lives. That combination of knowledge and genuine stoke is what separates a good day from an unforgettable one. Big thanks to Cascade Powder Guides for having me out for the day. The terrain here is so special, and I've barely even scratched the surface. I came here to capture the last bit of winter, and I left with a reason to come back. Oh. Oh wow, that was really bad.